Got my aero helmets cleaned. Mia is ready. Vlog is uploading. Unfortunately, not the best weather today. But good morning, Full Gas family. Are you ready for another day at Redsand? Today is a little bit of a special day because it's photoshoot day. It's been 1 year since my last photoshoot, so it will be a little bit exciting. Hopefully the weather holds up. I'm not sure how it's going to be, but hopefully it works out. Now time to pack everything together here and go to the track, so let's go. The boots are also Korean, but I have to carry them down, so see you after. So we are in the camper, ready to go to the track. Got the PC, got some music, yeah! Yeah, Mia! Ooh, sunrise at the track. Yeah, so now we're at the track. I'm uploading a video right here. Going to eat some food, some breakfast. So yeah, let's do that and then wait for the others from the team to come for the photo shoot.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Done it, done it. Whoa. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice jacket. Sun's out. Good. Yeah, we are having fun. It's fun to be on photo shoot. Smile! Smile! Paparazzi number 2 with the camera. Number 1, number 2. So back at the hotel, was a good day of shooting. Now it's time to go into the hotel, get changed and everything. What is it, you Spanish boy? Nothing. Get changed and take a shower and everything. Go to Elda because I have a race tomorrow and I don't have time for any more video today. Sorry for the video being a bit short, but see you guys tomorrow. Full gas, bye.